Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve into the world of Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one from 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a loss of negative 0.38%. This amounts to an average daily loss of negative 0.05% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 18.28% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.01% to 34.03%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 16.05% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 6.51% and 26.6%. This implies a price range of approximately $203.36 to $275.40 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple's stock price ended at $217.53 on Monday, after gaining nearly 0.6%. The Apple stock price increased by nearly 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of August, 2024. The price rose from $216.24 to $217.53. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.81%, with a low of $215.60 and a high of $219.51. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.33% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.18 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price sits at 8.3%, or $19.70, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple's recent developments could significantly influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. The iPhone 16 has been labeled as a stopgap model, designed to stabilize sales ahead of more innovative launches next year. This transition suggests that while immediate gains may be modest, the anticipation of groundbreaking advancements could foster investor optimism and support future stock price increases. In its latest earnings report, Apple exceeded revenue and profit expectations, bolstered by strong growth in its services segment. The company's optimistic outlook for the next quarter reinforces confidence, particularly in the Greater China market, supporting the idea of an upcoming iPhone upgrade cycle driven by new Apple Intelligence features. This could stimulate demand and enhance the stock's appeal. However, concerns arise as Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has drastically reduced its stake in Apple by over 55%. Such a move might raise eyebrows among investors, potentially impacting market sentiment and stock volatility in the short term. Additionally, with Qualcomm facing headwinds as Apple shifts away from its modem chips, industry changes might pose challenges for supply chain partners, though they also present opportunities for Apple to strengthen its independence. On the accessory front, the anticipated launch of a smaller Mac Mini signals ongoing innovation, which could continuously attract consumer interest. Overall, despite recent market challenges, including a decline in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, Apple remains a perceived safe haven in turbulent times. As investors weigh these factors, the trajectory of Apple's stock will depend on its ability to navigate these transitions and sustain strong growth fundamentals. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, CFRA also issued a buy rating for Apple Inc. with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, Piper Sandler rated Apple Inc. as neutral, while also recommending a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank provided a sector weight rating for Apple Inc. with a corresponding hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Bank of America Securities gave Apple Inc. a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which might affect the near short-term developments. The Apple stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Because the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $220.23. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $213.32. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will issue an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall signal. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 7.36%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. When analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 70 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 58 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $213.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the strong trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.91 between its high and low, which translates to 1.81%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts currently estimate earnings at $1.59. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $219.86. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $213.07. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Catherine L. Adams also sold 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted another insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. On the 30th of May, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson performed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 4,999 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.358. In total, insiders acquired 1,907,641 shares and disposed of 2,702,576 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will likely show weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of August, we project that Apple will open up 0.0166 and commence trading at $217.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.